*** Title: The Surprisingly Social Lives of Sponges *** Content: Imagine a creature so simple, so seemingly unassuming, that it's often mistaken for a plant. That's a sponge, a creature whose existence seems to defy the very notion of a complex social life. Yet, beneath their porous exteriors lies a hidden world of surprisingly intricate communication and interaction. Forget the solitary image of a sponge clinging to a rock. Many sponge species engage in complex chemical conversations, sharing resources and influencing their surroundings in ways that are only now beginning to be understood. Think of it like this: sponges don't have brains, nerves, or even specialized organs in the way we typically understand them. Their bodies are essentially a network of cells working in concert. But this seemingly simplistic structure allows for a remarkable level of responsiveness to their environment and to each other. They achieve this through a sophisticated system of chemical signaling. Essentially, sponges talk to each other using waterborne molecules, releasing chemical cues that can influence the behavior and growth of their neighbors. For instance, some sponges release chemicals that inhibit the growth of competing sponges in their vicinity. This is like a subtle chemical form of territoriality, ensuring that they have enough space and resources to thrive. Other sponges might release chemicals that attract specific types of bacteria which are beneficial to their survival, forming a symbiotic relationship that benefits both the sponge and the bacteria. This selective cultivation of microbial partners shows a level of sophistication rarely associated with such simple organisms. The chemical conversations aren't limited to just repulsion or attraction. Sponges can also release chemicals as warning signals, alerting nearby sponges to the presence of predators or other threats. This collective response, a form of rudimentary communal defense, can improve the overall survival rate of the sponge population. Consider the implications. A creature without a central nervous system managing a sophisticated chemical communication system for protection, resource management, and symbiotic relationships. Furthermore, research suggests that some sponge species might even be capable of a form of memory, recording past environmental experiences in their cellular structures and adjusting their chemical output accordingly. This suggests a far more nuanced understanding of their environment than previously assumed. This chemical memory, while not akin to our own conscious recall, allows the sponge community to adapt and respond to fluctuating conditions over time. This understanding of sponge sociality completely rewrites our assumptions about the complexities of simple life. It forces us to reconsider what constitutes intelligence and social behavior, expanding our understanding of the intricate web of life and even the seemingly most basic organisms. The next time you encounter a sponge, remember it's not just a passive filter feeder. It's a communicative, interactive being participating in a quiet chemical symphony beneath the waves. In short, the surprisingly complex chemical communications of sponges offer a compelling example of how even seemingly simple organisms can display intricate social behaviors and environmental awareness. This challenges our traditional understanding of animal intelligence and underscores the hidden complexities of life in the ocean. The research continues to unravel the secrets of these fascinating creatures, revealing a world far more sophisticated than we ever imagined.